Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to set up Samsung Pay. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to set up Samsung Pay, what you need to do is first check the device compatibility. Make sure your Samsung phone supports Samsung Pay. Compatible devices usually include recent Galaxy phones and smartwatches. Now in order to do it, simply head over and open up your Play Store, and on the search bar type in Samsung Pay and then tap on search. And once you're inside here, what you need to do is simply download the app. Now if not downloaded, then once downloaded, all you gotta do is open the Samsung Pay app and then log into the Samsung account. If you don't have one, create it inside the app. Then next is to add a payment card. Simply tap on add card and use your phone's camera to scan your credit or debit card or enter the card's details manually. And then once done, all you gotta do is accept the terms and conditions. Then Samsung Pay requires you to set up a PIN, fingerprint or iris scan for secure payments. Follow the prompts to set up your preferred authentication method. Then all you gotta do is swipe up from the home button or open the app and select your card. Authenticate with your PIN or biometric method and hold your phone near the payment terminal for the payment. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.